Okay, so now we're going to look at sets of sets, right? And subsets of sets, which are a little bit different and will come into play. Let's say that we have set A, and set A is 1, 2, 3. We're going to define something called the power set of A. And this is how we indicate the power set of A. And that is the set of all possible sets you can make with the elements of A. So we have the first possible set is the empty set. Now normally we depict the empty set like that, but this is legitimate too, right? Two curly braces with nothing in between them. So obviously the first set we can make with any set, so this is part of any power set, is a set of nothing. And then we have the set of 1, the set of 2, the set of 3. So this is the power set of A, right? Every possible subset of the values of A. It's a set of sets. If we talk about the cardinality of A, remember those two bars on each side means the cardinality. And if you remember, cardinality means the count, the number of items. So the cardinality of the power set of A, in this case, is 8, right? But more generally, the cardinality is 2 to the n if the cardinality of set A is n. Which makes sense if you think about it intuitively, right? For each item, you have two choices. It's in or it's out, right? What does that sound like? That sounds like our binary counting. So for each item, it can be in or it can be out. For each set, we make those choices. How many possible choices we have 2 to the n. Just like when you have a binary string of digits, you have 2 to the n values that can be represented with a string of n bits. Then we define P choose K of A to be all members of the power set that have K elements, where each individual element has a cardinality of K. For example, if we do P of choose 2 from A, from our set A above, that's going to be the set 1, 2, the set 2, 3, and the set 1, 3. So we know how to do how to calculate the cardinality of the power set, but how do we calculate the cardinality of these K element sets? I'm actually going to direct you to a Khan Academy video beneath this in the forum, where he talks about the binomial coefficient. So the binomial coefficient is the tool we use to calculate choose K from n, right? N being the size, the number of elements in A. That's the formula that we're going to use. You don't necessarily need to understand how the formula works in great detail, but you do need to trust that the formula works, and you need to know how to apply the formula, because it is going to come up quite a few times in the homework this week. So if you have any questions about this, or any questions about the Khan Academy video for binomial coefficient, ask in the forum below.